I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, and I welcome you to VLOGmas. Well, guys, this is going to be so much fun. You know, Christmas is all about neighbors and the neighborhood and getting it all ready. And you know what? Today, I have the pleasure of being next door with my favorite neighbor. We have been neighbors forever. And she is in the process of working on Christmas. And you know, when she does a new project, I like seeing what she's doing. When I've got a new project going, she comes and sees what I'm doing. So today, we're going to take a look at a new wreath that she's working on, and one that I think I might try myself. So we're just going to play around today, and we're bringing you along with us. Now we're starting with a base wreath, one of those wire base wreaths. And the nice thing about it is that it gives lots of background. Well, Jane, you know, this is really a lot of fun.
I'm so glad that you are over here too, because you have such vast experience that I am so glad that you are here to help me out and to provide support. So if I make a mistake, you'll tell me.
This is so much fun. We like doing these kind of things and trying to play around with new adventures. And so today it's all about Christmas. So let's get this wreath together. What she did was she started with one of the wire mesh bases, and she's added in some deco mesh all around. And so now at each juncture where the loops are, she is adding in 4 strips of ribbon, and these are the 4 strips that she selected. Aren't they pretty? Oh, I like this one with the little elves and their little elf feet and hats. Isn't that cute? And then she's got a stripe. Let's see, these are the 1.5-inch strips.
I believe so. Yes.
Okay. And so you could certainly select whatever combination that you wanted. Mm-hmm. And what she's finding is that it's better to do a different combination with each of the bunches that she's putting together, because it just adds to the beauty of the wreath. Now Jane has cut her individual ribbons into about 6 inches, and as you can see, she stacked them up and she counted all of the little sections that she had to make sure that she had plenty of various ribbons, because she's going to use all of these with each spot where she's going to place it, but just in different order. Now she also cut a 10 by 10 square of green and red mesh, and she's rolled those so that she can take the 4 ribbons and the green and red mesh, push those together and put them and place them into each spot. So this is going to be really nice, and it's going to be really pretty. So I can't wait to see how it's going to come out. You'll also notice in the background that we have supervisors that are keeping watch over what we're doing and making sure that we won't mess anything up. Family, I hope today's VLOGmas video has been a blessing to you. go out, visit, have fun with those around you. So, have a blessed and wonderful day.